Hello everybody, oh my gosh.
Hey.
Welcome back.
Let's try again.
I don't know, is this episode 8? I think it is. And,
Seven.
I'm pretty sure it's 8.
Yeah.
So,
8. Okay.
today,
Patrick Fire
I
spreads.
don't know what we're gonna do, but I'm just gonna
What does it?
I don't know what those guys
Yes.
are gonna do.
Okay,
I'm
so
gonna work on this
I'm just
thing.
gonna do experiment then.
Because
I am
it
going
kinda
to
sucks.
I'm gonna do
try and start the roof. Because, yeah. And then we can start decorating
Roof.
our own room and see all the fancy
And then
stuff.
Patrick, what are you gonna do?
Randomly
I'm
say
doing
it
an
right.
experiment right now.
An experiment?
Yeah, look at my experiment.
Oh my gosh.
What are you trying to like find in your experiment?
See
Yeah.
if fire spreads.
It does.
It does spread.
Please just take our word for it.
Oh wait, yeah, it's spreading. Oh no!
Hit it. Hit it. Oh my gosh. Please don't.
Oh
Please
man.
don't.
Look, it doesn't spread though. Oh, it's not spreading to
You
the
just
house.
don't know it.
It's like an invisible barrier. Look, see?
Oh my gosh, it's already nighttime.
Is it? Well, Pat, come sleep in a bed. So at least if you do burn yourself to death.
Would you say that the water fountain looks a little bit better?
You need to
A
make it
little
into
bit.
the
Make
shape
it
of a
taller
certain
and
object.
grand.
I don't want it to be like a really grand one though. I want it to be just nice and.
Right,
I'm
I'm in a bed.
We'll have a campfire, Pat. How about that? We'll have like a camping area over here.
Campfire.
Oh, we're gonna put the outhouse. Patrick, build the outhouse. Yeah, start building the outhouse.
We'll have a like if you say
I thought I'm in the bed.
this
Oh, are
bit.
you in bed? Okay, we're going to bed.
I'll build the outhouse.
There's not enough beds, unless anyone has wool.
I'll build my casino outhouse. Okay. That's
Oh
what I'll
yeah, right, Patrick. Come on, tell them about your casino outhouse plan.
We'll just
do.
have
So
to
what I'm
wait
gonna
out
plan to
the
do
night.
is build an outhouse. And it's gonna be a casino with golden, like everything, chandeliers. You know, the roller coaster in there.
A roller coaster. It's just a casual roller coaster inside the casino.
Okay.
As you do in our house, and it's got all gonna lead to a big throne room with a toilet.
Oh, wiki wiki.
Yes,
Morning.
it's gonna be the shuffler's outhouse.
A shuffler outhouse.
But for that, I'm gonna need a lot of iron
The shout house.
for the roller coaster.
For the rule, of course.
Yeah.
Is this the beginning of the outhouse?
Yeah.
I just put this like a
Right,
fire
I'm gonna
pit.
plan out how big
Okay.
it's gonna be though. It's
So,
gonna, I think I'll just build it into this wall, into this.
Now that all three of us are here, what will the goal? What's gonna be the goal of this
The
series?
end goal.
Because we don't really have an end goal right now.
I don't know.
Just keep playing.
See where it takes us, guys.
Yeah, maybe there could be some fights in there.
You-
An epic,
What
an
is
epic
the
boss
maniac?
fight.
Well.
Oh, we should probably go to the Nether. That's the
Ender
thing
dra-
we've not done
Wait,
yet.
so is our
Yeah.
final goal the Ender Dragon then?
It's pretty early on. I mean, we've not yet built our mansion properly.
I think right. Our goal for now is to finish the house and
My goal.
do the beginnings of the outhouse and finish the water fountain and then the Nether.
Ender Dragon?
That's like the very end. The
Okay.
very, very end. Sound good?
Yeah,
Okay.
sounds fantastic.
100 episodes later. So guys, today we're gonna finish the mansion.
Yeah, pretty much.
But that is probably what's gonna be like.
That is definitely
Like
what
it's
this is
almost
gonna
done,
be
guys. It's almost there.
That's not a mansion though. That's just like the first. This is just like the lobby of the mansion, I think.
like. This is the lobby.
Go look at it from the front.
Oh yeah, if you look at it from the front, it does look pretty big.
Yeah.
Insert innuendo.
Shall we put a tower
But
on top?
I think we need like to make it like more mansion-like by having like outer like wings.
We
Yeah,
will.
like an east wing and a west
Yeah.
swing.
Well, why don't you guys
And
work
then-
on that?
Oh, we could have like a
direct
back
interest.
cave.
Oh, we could have a
Oh,
back.
wait,
it could
wait,
be like
I
in
should've
King,
told you
it could
that.
Be, it could be like in Kingsman, like where we have
Yeah, yeah.
like the underground network and like
Movie
the secret
sessions.
base.
Yes. I see. And we're gonna have a tailor shop
Yeah.
with all our fancy bulletproof armor and
Um,
weapons and stuff. Perfect.
How
Perfect.
y'all doing over
And
there?
like exploding
You
like
alright?
lighters and stuff.
Right. What am I doing?
You know what?
That's
This
nice.
water fountain is just gonna stay like this for like 20 episodes, and then I'm gonna like put like a block of gold on the top of it, and then that'll be it.
Yeah. Bling. I see Pat's again just digging.
I'm
Mining.
clearing this out so I can build the outhouse.
Will I help you? give you a
I'm
wee
building a mansion and no one offers to help me.
But it's okay. You're pro. You know what you're doing.
Making it up
Right,
as it
What
goes
I'm
along.
doing.
I'll make the frame of the outhouse, and then you can edit it if you want to, since you're the master of the outhouse, Pat.
I will do that.
It's like yours, it's your thing.
When you don't bring enough materials and you're stuck on the roof, your
What do you-
only solution. is to jump.
Okay.
Well, there's tons of stone here. If anyone's waiting on it.
I'm gonna plan it with torches.
What?
That's a tiny outhouse.
Well, it's an outhouse. Outhouses are meant to be tiny.
No, I thought it was a casino outhouse.
Yeah, but wait,
Casino
but
outhouse.
remember, right? It's gonna be
Oh
like
my
it's gonna
gosh,
be like
this
this,
weather is-
and then
Not good for.
you just go inside it, and then there's like a secret, like the outhouse. Right, outhouse is like a toilet, right?
Yeah.
So you open the lid of the toilet, and then you go down it,
You go down it, yeah.
and then it's the casino.
Right, I'll do that then.
I see how to make that work. That would work, definitely.
So, right.
Yay high.
Guys, look, the roof is coming along.
Yeah, I saw it when I was doing thingy.
Good job.
The water fountain.
Keep up the good work.
The rain. Yeah, the rain. That's
Just
that's
the
thing.
rain's annoying me. But
Just turn down, pour off.
no, we don't cheat. We're total legit here, as we've proven.
Yeah, that's a totally non-conspicuous casino behind an outhouse.
That's. I've got to say, your outhouse is looking pretty fantastic so far. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to match it with the mansion.
Shut up. I hear sarcasm.
Really, Pat?
Gosh.
Oh, there wasn't a trace of sarcasm in my voice there.
Shut up. 1, 2, 3.
Pat, the interior is basically almost finished.
Well, there's always more to be done, Calum. Yeah. You could work on the interior.
I
Make it
could.
look nice. Add some sofas,
This
some
is just
armor
the
stands,
base of
maybe.
it though.
Well, it's like it's an outhouse.
Right, I'm gonna need some glass.
A sofa.
Right, it's just time for
And it's
to hunt
cushioned.
for sand.
A nice cushioned throne.
Patrick, come on the inside and see it.
So I'm hunting for sand.
Oh no.
Pat, come on, I want to show you it.
Okay.
It's cool.
Make a trap door.
I did.
Make a trap door
Right.
inside. Oh, you did.
Then you do the toilet. Look, I'm doing a poo.
Oh dear.
I'm gonna set it on fire.
No, no.
Destruction comes to everything.
Okay.
Right, glass.
How are we gonna do this?
How do you make a painting?
Oh, goodness sake! Again, I've run out of materials. This takes a massive amount.
Do you need parchment for that?
What?
Parchment?
Is it sugar cane?
Yeah.
Is that
Three
okay?
sugar cane. Piece of paper.
Do we have any? I don't see any around.
Yes, we have 6 here.
Do we? Is that enough?
So,
Start for
how much do you need?
plant them.
I have no idea. Oh, excuse me.
For what? What are you making?
I'm trying to make a painting.
Oh, I'd grow them first.
Yeah, grow them.
Okay, sure.
Just leave them with that. I planted them.
Okay, so Pat, see for the casino and stuff. So we go down the toilet inside the out.
Yes.
We go down the toilet in the
Sounds
outhouse,
absurd.
and then it goes down, and it's like this majestic, like casino with a bar and
Yeah,
it'll
with the roller
have
coaster. That's the
A
most
roller
important part.
coaster.
There'll be the roller
coaster.
coaster,
The roller
and there'll be
coaster.
paintings and chandeliers and
Sick.
like pretty women and like
Oh gosh.
it's gonna be great.
Yep.
This could be fantastic.
And then we'll have the mansion, which is like our back, like our cover, cover story.
Oh yeah.
And then secretly there's like the casino, or like gambling ring, all underneath like and stuff. And
Yeah. Are we planning to do that in high school?
yeah, we're gonna have a gambling ring in school.
That sounds fun.
Yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. We're gonna raise money for charity, the 6th year charity.
Helping poor 6th year children.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously.
What's this bit you're building? Passion,
Drainage.
what's this bit you're building behind it?
No, I think I'm blocking that off. I just want to make you look snazzy on the outside.
Oh right, okay.
Well,
I thought it
actually,
was
no.
to be like a really like subtle outhouse.
Nah.
Guys, what is this monstrosity you're building?
Just
Oh my
shush,
gosh,
okay?
look at it.
I am the master architect. You shall
Can't take a
not.
look inside the outhouse.
You shall
can't
not
get
kiss
out
my
now.
Stuck.
outhouse.
You're stuck forever.
Can you
Have
see
fun.
me?
Yeah. Your head like pops up every now and then
You get a nice surprise when you come in for the look.
when you come into the toilet.
Hello.
It's just Calum's just there.
How do we get out?
Oh,
Sorry. Surprise. There's a man in
surprise,
your toilet.
mofo.
Okay. This is. I hate when I build stuff. I'm like, okay, it'll just be like a nice little house, and every single time.
And then you get like this massive mansion.
Yep. Every time.
Oh, I'm actually quite hungry. Bread. Perfect.
I quite like this actually.
I'm quite hungry IRL actually.
Okay, maybe that's
Pretty
a
much.
good point actually to end this episode.
Okay. Shall we reconvene and see what we've done, or shall we just end it?
Well, we've started the Grand Casino with the outhouse and stuff. The water fountain got a bit done to it.
Well,
Mansion looks great. I'd say we were quite productive today
Yes.
in this episode.
the front looks pretty.
Yeah. Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.
Bye. Basically, we don't really know what else to say when we're done.